entertained? Is this not why you are here? Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?
For me, he dead. Yo, man. Damn, where he went? Damn. Look at this one. Think he running away from me. You ain't doing nothing, fam. You think this is Granose Park where he got his boys with him? You ain't doing nothing, bro. Look at him. He running. Where he went? There he is. He running. What you gonna do? Ain't nothing else to do. Hell nah. You ain't getting through, bro. You rope, my nigga. Damn, nigga jumped in the water. Damn, nigga. Damn, I was never gonna do that, nigga. Hold on, where that junk went? Damn, boy, that just jumped in the water real quick. He committed suicide. Suicide. Yeah, boy. It's nice. I have arrived. I'm here. Today is my birthday, and I'm 25 years of age. There are a multitude of things that happened to me that I never wanted to transpire. Some were out of my control, some were in my control. The uncontrolled are the ones that bother you. I mean, me. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't, because this is how life operates. When you're high, you suddenly must come down. Once happy, the realization that is, once happy, the realization that it will be not for so long is apparent as one gradually plummets down into sadness. Once good, the fact of being good isn't all it's cracked up to be in America, because evil awaits you with a whole lot of attention and money. I can go on and on. As I look at my peers surrounding me, I see happiness because, of course, that is what most of the world shows. I am in the minority that displays my depression and my psychotic thinking to the world, because life isn't well with me, within me. America is a bit, society as a whole, you people are blind. You scream hope, and all I see is death, equaling to more dollars in the pockets of society. Be honest, are you happy? I am not. I put myself in this position of failure so I can think. So I think everyone should fail. Pessimistic? I'm playing, or am I? I look into the coffin every time I go to a funeral, and I say those words of that wrestler, it should have been me. My heart would sit well in that coffin, because life no longer is a dream, no longer a fairy tale, but consistently a nightmare. Put me out of my misery, or at least interview me, so I can tell you my beautiful mind. CBS, CNN, ABC interview serial killers, giving them the limelight while I struggle in darkness, screaming my thoughts out in the open, hoping that someone hears me. You interviewed Ted Bundy, but that should have been me. You interviewed Diana Downs, but that should have been me. It's not fair. Nothing is fair. Books keep me sane sometimes. Reading takes your mind off things, especially fiction. But those books with no substance that sells is stupid. Those books that you buy that have no substance, I don't know. You stupid effers spend money on hoaxes and things that will never help you. Joel Osteen's book should have been mine. His status should have been mine. Creflo Dollar, the dollar should have been me. I don't mind deceiving people for money because mommy and daddy did good and still broke. Let's do evil and see where that goes. Insane? Not really. Or am I? I go to weddings and I see colorful smiles. All I can think is that should have been me. The man getting married and had his mother and father there witnessing this great moment, but that should have been me. You have a beautiful girlfriend, but that should have been mine. You get $1 million for saying absolutely nothing. That should have been me because my words actually mean something. You don't deserve shit. Amelia Earhart disappeared, but that should have been me. All your accomplishments should have been mine. That kid, that little kid suffering with a tumor in his hip, that should have been me. My brother, that should have been me. I don't know. Everything that I've accomplished should have been you. Let's switch roles. Let's switch. Because my life isn't pretty. Your life seems pretty because that's all you display. Your life should have been mine. Let's exchange. Let's fight. And if you disagree, then find me and we can talk it out. But remember, I love physical activity. And if the talk doesn't work, then we might as well come to blows. And the fight that I would like is the fight of life and death. Whoever lives, lives. And whoever dies, dies. Because life is about death. And death is about life. Remember.